Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix smart lock not working on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart your device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search, click on Google app and click on storage cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache Google app. After clear cache Google app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone. Click on reset all settings, click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix a smart lock not working on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.